Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us here at Revospin Live. We are coming to you live every day at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And today we are joined by Richard. I'm sure he looks familiar. He is in many of our YouTube videos and instructional videos. So he helps out quite a bit with his content. So today he's actually be talking about PhotoPea.com, which is a free alternative to Canva and Photoshop. For many of you out there, we actually just did a Canva live stream yesterday, and Richard brought it to my attention. There actually is an alternative. So if you don't want to pay that monthly or that yearly subscription to either Photoshop or to Canva, then PhotoPea would be the alternative for you. So he's going to go over some of the features and benefits of PhotoPea. First, we're going to do some questions here. So the first question here is, what is PhotoPea and how can it benefit you?
Yep. So it's an online based software similar to Canva and Photoshop, but it's just a very simplified version of Photoshop, but just as powerful, and it's free.
That's great. That's great. So what are some of the differences between PhotoPea.com, Canva, and Photoshop?
Well, Photoshop, you can download it directly, so you can use it offline. But again, there's the price that a lot of people are worried about. And then Canva is an online browser software SaaS, and you do have to pay for that to get the transparent overlays. And with PhotoPea, with the power similar to Photoshop, you can do transparent overlays for free.
Great, great. So in terms of features you can use with your photo booth business, what are some of the features that the people watching this will be able to use PhotoPea for?
Well, creating your overlays, your transparent overlays, using PhotoPea, since it's free, anybody can jump on it. You don't have to have a membership. You don't have to sign in, so you can just use it for all your marketing and business needs.
Great, great. What are some of the other things that someone will be able to use it for? I've heard they can use it for advertising and marketing.
Yep, advertising, marketing. Just if you're trying to get some flyers done, if you're trying to anything that you'll like to do, that's very intricate. That what Photoshop would do, PhotoPea can do.
Okay, great. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Richard take over here. We're going to do a walkthrough and demonstration here. So then that way you can see some of the features here live. And just remember, for those of you who aren't joining us live, you'll be able to catch this on our YouTube channel. There's a playlist for all the live streams. So go ahead and if you have any questions about what you're seeing here or comments, you can leave it in the comment section when we actually post the video. So we're going to go ahead and start things off here with Richard.
All right. So I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough and demonstration of PhotoPea. And so you can see here, if you've never seen Photoshop, this is pretty much what it looks like. You have your files up here. And so the great thing about PhotoPea is that it can take PSD files, which TouchPix uses. So what I'm going to do is I downloaded the TouchPix files, and I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop one of their files. So I got the video boomerang GIF here in slow-mo. I'm just going to drop that in. It's going to pull it up, and there you go. You got a PSD file online for free, ready to be used. So you got the layers here. And so what I'm going to do is just drag and drop a gold frame that we got. So just drop that in. Let's see. Let me try that again. Oh, there it is. Just took a minute to load there. And then if I click on the eyeball there, it takes it back into a transparent file. So if you want to do like a new one, you can go to new, and then you can set the background to transparent. So that's a great way to start things off there too. The next thing you can do is I'm going to drag in a Christmas frame. Wait for that to load.
So I'm noticing here that for those of you who know Photoshop or are familiar with the Photoshop, very similar in what the layout is of this program.
Yeah, it's super easy too. So I can just drop that in. And then if I wanted to just add some text into that, I can go to the text tool here. And then you can choose your font styles here. So if you like that, that script cursive writing, you can just check that. And then they got a bunch of different, I believe it's pulling from the Google fonts from the browser. So, you know, we can choose maybe something like this and then just start typing happy holidays. Let me go in. Okay. And then we're going to raise up the font size. So let me actually click on that. You can probably just do that. And very quickly, you got a little overlay that's already transparent. Because with Canva, you have to pay for the transparency, and that's what a lot of us need to do is have transparent overlays ready for us to use for our events. But then once you're done, now all you have to do is just go to File, Export As, and then click on PNG. So then we can just go to make sure it's at 100%, and then click Save. And there you go. You have your PNG file ready for your event.
Great, great. Thank you so much for showing it to us. And let's go ahead. And I hear that that you have a free bundle pack offer for those that are watching this here, whether it be live or on our YouTube channel. I hear that you have a free bundle pack. Is that correct?
Yeah. So on my YouTube channel, my separate YouTube channel, I just did a video explaining this whole process here, right here, to where you can use a bundle pack that I have available on my website, to where at the end of the video you get a discount code to enter in, and you get a bunch of just different graphics just ready to use.
That's great. So here's a link for those of you that are watching here to that. If for whatever reason you're not able to copy and paste this link, what you want to do is you're going to want to head over to Richard's YouTube channel. That's Richard Nunez Design. Go over to his YouTube channel. Make sure that to thank him for providing this bundle for free, that you're able to like his videos, as well as follow him on YouTube. He's also got a lot of information on Canva and other tools that are very useful for running your photo booth business. So once again, we want to thank Richard, and make sure you're heading over to his YouTube channel. Make sure you support him. Make sure you support Revospin as well. You're liking this content, and make sure you give us a follow so that way you can be notified of all content that's being posted to our YouTube channel. Once again, we'll be here tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a good evening if you're joining us on the East Coast, and take care. Bye-bye.